I'm warning you guys now before it's tax season that make sure the box 2 right here, federal income tax withheld, make sure that box 2 does not come out as 0 on your W2 when you get them next year. And how are you going to make sure this box is not 0? You need to check your pay stub at your job, and the federal income tax should not be 0. It may be 0 for some people who are really earning a very low income below the standard deduction, which is about $16,000. But if you're earning more than around that number, then you want to make sure this box 2 is not 0, because if it is, then you're going to have to pay back some money and it's going to be a sticker shock. So even if nothing is taken out, you can still fix this. You can fix your W4 to have an additional withholding. I would say, just on a conservative level, 10% of additional withholding of your pay is probably sufficient for someone, making around $50,000, $60,000, maybe 15% if you're making over 100,000, just to have something there. I'll tell you what, when people come to me during tax season with these kind of problems and these kind of issues, you really cannot go back to fix anything because the tax year is done. But right now, we're in the 2024 tax year. Taxes don't get filed till next year. If you see a problem on your pay stub that will affect your W2, then you want to fix your W4, and then you will still at least maybe see a refund during tax time. Yes, I know the rhetoric. People say, why give the government an interest-free loan? Well, guess what? If you owe more than $1,000 during tax time, you're going to be paying that back with interest and penalties. So why pay that interest and penalties? And also, a lot of people sometimes forget, or people don't have good cash management skills, where they don't save up. They may just spend the money. So yes, they're not paying federal income tax to save that money, but guess what? They end up spending it, and during tax time they don't have any money to pay it, and then they're paying penalties, or they just can't pay the tax at all. As long as during tax season you don't owe them any money, you don't get any money back, you are good. You did not give the government an interest-free loan.